Morning, everyone. It's Monday morning around 8:40, and I'm sure that you've already heard the news. Really startling, terrific news, but it's not all good news across all markets. As you can see, the S&P is up 152. The Dow is up 1,575. The Nasdaq is a little weak, up only 83. Excuse me, and mostly because of the overvaluation in a lot of those stay-at-home stocks. For example, Zoom is down, Peloton is down, CRM is down. Pfizer obviously is up, and the Dow is, at a new all-time high. And frankly, it's going to take a little getting used to for me because I think that the dynamic in the market changes, although there are several markets that it's not going to matter to. In any event, probably just going to watch today and see how it goes. Bitcoin is down. If it goes down any harder, uh, I'll probably look to add to that position. As I've mentioned before, the dollar is up a little. The big move are in energy and bonds. The bonds are down over $2, and I'll show you what that looks like because I think it is important. As you can see, we're right back down where we were the other day on Wednesday, I guess, when we were down to 170.07 and turned back up. Today, we're down to 170.09, and I'm not sure, how well the bounce is going to occur here. The energies are much higher with oil up almost $4. That's a pretty amazing move. That's a 10% move overnight. And if you'll notice, I have been talking very much continuously about the fact that we shouldn't be desensitized to these kind of moves. They are really extreme. In any event, as you can see, the oil is up here on the high. Make it a little easier for you to see exactly where we are. We are right back into this was, I believe, the highest close after the move down initially, and that was 41.70. Right now we're 41.03, so we're still below that, but certainly not by much. The gold has gotten pounded, the silver a little less so. We still have a position in the silver, and right now it's down a dollar four. The gold is down 61. That puts the gold also, actually a lot of things also, in the kind of show me point of view. So we just came up in the last 7 or 8 days. We came up from a low of 1859 all the way back to overnight last night, 1966. Now we've given up about two-thirds of that, and we're trading down here at 1890. So it's going to be a tough morning relative to most of these futures, but I can only try and impress you with the fact that you don't buy an up 1600 Dow or 1700 Dow. You don't buy up $155 S&P because basically you have no place to stop yourself out if you're wrong. This COVID situation is terrific. It's fluid, and Pfizer and the rest of these companies are great. President Trump is probably a little pissed that he missed this by a week. Uh, in any event, we still have rising numbers. We're still talking about a vaccine that is well in the distance. But hospitality is strong. All of these things are strong. And I am stand aside and see how it shakes out for a day or so. All right, everyone, have a good morning. Hope that you bought most of the dips. Going to be difficult to look at this and see anything but extremely good news. Have a good morning, and I'll be back later.